Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, Go Automotor. Today, we will be discussing a question that is often asked by car owners. How often should I wash my car? A clean car not only looks good, but it can also help maintain its value and prevent damage. However, washing your car too frequently or not enough can actually cause damage. So, let's dive into this topic and explore the best practices for keeping your car clean and well maintained. Part 1. The importance of washing your car. First, let's discuss why washing your car is important. A clean car not only looks better, but it can also prevent damage. Dirt, dust, and other debris can build up on your car's exterior, which can scratch and damage the paint over time. Additionally, bird droppings, tree sap, and other substances can cause more serious damage if left on the car for too long. Regular washing can help remove these substances before they cause harm. Part 2. How often should you wash your car? Now, let's answer the question on everyone's mind. How often should you wash your car? The answer depends on a few factors. Driving conditions. If you live in an area with a lot of dirt, dust, or pollution, you may need to wash your car more frequently. Similarly, if you drive on gravel roads or in areas with a lot of construction, you may need to wash your car more often. Weather. If you live in an area with a lot of rain or snow, you may need to wash your car more frequently to remove salt, sand, or other substances that can damage your car's exterior. Type of car. Some cars are more prone to showing dirt and debris than others. For example, a black car may show dirt and dust more easily than a white car. In general, it's recommended to wash your car every 2 weeks. However, this can vary depending on the factors mentioned above. Part 3. The best ways to wash your car. Now that we know how often to wash our car, let's discuss the best practices for doing so. Here are some tips. Use a high-quality car wash soap. Regular household soaps can damage your car's paint, so it's important to use a soap specifically designed for car washing. Use a bucket. Fill a bucket with water and soap and use a sponge or wash mitt to clean your car's exterior. Rinse with water. After washing, rinse your car thoroughly with a hose or pressure washer to remove all soap and debris. Dry your car. Use a soft towel or chamois to dry your car's exterior. This will prevent water spots and help prevent scratches. Part 4. Common car washing mistakes to avoid. Lastly, let's discuss some common mistakes to avoid when washing your car. Washing your car in direct sunlight. This can cause soap to dry too quickly and leave residue on your car's exterior. Using a dirty sponge or cloth. This can scratch your car's paint. Using a high-pressure washer. This can damage your car's paint and cause water to seep into areas where it shouldn't. Skipping the drying step. This can leave water spots and prevent your car from looking its best. Conclusion. In conclusion, washing your car is an important part of car maintenance. By following these best practices and avoiding common mistakes, you can keep your car looking its best and prevent damage. Remember to wash your car every 2 weeks and adjust based on driving conditions and weather. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.